stuff is not bad at all. I mean, sugar-free per can, calories. Like, don't feel jittery. So it works. And sometimes like granola bar. Really good. A good breakfast. Good start. You also want to drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Finally getting off from work, ready to head home. It's funny how it's like 70 degrees today. The beauty of owning a Z. But yeah, I guess go home, head home, warm up some food, eat. But beyond that, I guess for Z owners, I really recommend getting a oil cooler. It's very helpful, keeps oil cool, and because I know the oil gets really hot, it breaks down and doesn't help prevent wear and tear. But yeah, for all your Z owners, I really recommend it. Again, I would put the link, well, not link, but I put what I bought in the description, what brand. I didn't get the Mishimoto, but I was trying to stay within budget range because we have a lot of stuff going on for the week, and so I figured this will help out. So it's exciting, but this one I have is a universal, and I've had it for a week now. I love it. It keeps the oil cool. As you can see, the oil is probably like sitting down a little bit low, not too high, even though I just turned on my car. So anyways, I really recommend it. The brand I have is called, I believe, Evil Energy. I got it off of Amazon. It was a good price on Cyber Monday, so I went ahead and got it. The only downfall about it is when it goes underneath the car to the sandwich plate, it did not have the 90-degree elbow. So I was a little bit bummed about it, but I still got it to work. So when I do my next oil change, I will be installing the elbows underneath the car, because right now it's a straight. It goes the tubes go underneath the car, go straight to the sandwich plate, and it leaves like a little bulk underneath the car. When I get home, I will show y'all. But still recommend it. Works out a lot better. I could do longer pulls. I'm just ready to go get this cartoon now, and then I guess I'll just do the third stage clutch later. I guess I'll just pick this up when I get back, when I get home. Get to where I need to get to. Alright, you sit right there and be a good one. I'm gonna take you home and eat. I don't know what it is, but lately I've just been eating I think of ice cream like once a day. I'm good. I don't know what it is, but I gotta get used to filming myself out in public again and talking to myself on the camera. I haven't done it in a good while, so I think the uncomfortable feel is getting there, but I want to get back into that comfortable feel and get that comfortable zone back and start doing it more and more frequent. Just really trying to push for good content. I don't want it not to be boring. That's why my videos has been like either once a week, or go a week without. I know I've been doing a hit and miss. I just want to make sure I give good content and make sure the content is like really, really good for this video. But still, for y'all who's still there, I really appreciate y'all sticking around, holding on. I'm not gonna give up the dreams. I'm not gonna give up something I really enjoy doing. I enjoy doing videos. I enjoy doing mods to my car. I love this car, and I want to continue to push videos out for y'all, the content for y'all, and make sure it's really good and nothing that's gonna be boring and just talking through the whole entire video, just sitting in one place, or have not really much to talk about. But I still want to continue to push this and continue to do something I really enjoy doing. Thanks for letting me hit up to 140 subscribers. I appreciate it. I'm almost at 150. My goal is to try to get there at least to 200 before the end of this year. If that's the goal, I want to go ahead and set it and never give up on it and continue to keep dreaming, because if I stop here and just stop and quit, I'm not gonna be. I don't want to be a quitter. I want to continue to pursue my dreams. It's something I want to go for and something to really do. Again, I enjoy the whole car community and the people out there. There's a lot of great people. There's a lot of people is out there, very helpful, giving good advices instead of just talking down about other people. But it's awesome. I enjoy it. I enjoy the community, especially the Z community. Meet other Z owners and see other like car enthusiasts. It's awesome to meet everybody out here. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please give a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. If y'all want me to do a Q&A video, I will do a Q&A video. Again, hope y'all enjoy. Subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget, follow your dreams, and let's make it a reality. Peace.